Hey everybody, this is High Desert Community Watch coming to you from the city of Victorville. And yes, this is the playground that we built last month, and see, people are enjoying it. See, we all have a kid inside. But look at this, guys. They actually finished the cement. You guys can see this. And yes, I do feel pride every time I drive by here. I live 2 blocks from here, but we're also here to give a little message from Miss Stephanie. She's going to tell you about a fundraiser we got going on and some events that you might be able to help us with, and if you're in the high desert, you can attend. So I'm going to hand it out to Miss Stephanie.
Thank you. So, hi everyone. We're actually doing a community mural, similar to the concept how we did with the Build Day, where our whole community came out, and in 6 hours we built this awesome playground. We want to do the same thing, but it's going to be a week effort. We're going to do a community mural. Right now we have one of our buildings. It's occupied. We use it for meeting space, but it's just the outside really needs some love and care. So we want to do that by doing a community mural. We're going to have an artist come up here and supervise it, so it's going to look real nice, professionally done, but the community gets to come out and help. So because this is a community effort, but we are having a professional artist, we need to raise some funds. We're still short on money for paint, we're short on supplies, paintbrushes. We're just short on the funds to raise this project, and to do that we're having a comedy night. So we're having a comedy night fundraiser on October 26th, Friday, October 26th, here in our neighborhood, Old Town Victorville, and tickets are $10, dude. So we're not trying to make it expensive. We just really want the neighborhood to come out, have a good time, and support the cause. So if you guys are either wanting to come and have a good time with us, laugh around with the comedian, Pinche Peter, sorry, that's his name, with the comedian, he's a blast. Come up here and hang out with us. Tickets are $10. Or if you want to paint, no professional experience needed, just help us paint. You can register on the link. I'm sure Phil will put it on his YouTube channel. And if you can't do either, but you want to just help us out, we do have a GoFundMe page, and we can put the link on that too. So really help us out, guys. It's really nice when our community can come out together like we built this, and by the end of the week we're gonna have a big mural too. So, and I'm sure Phil will show you what that looks like too.
And the way it works with the mural, the guy supervises the mural, so it ends up being the community who actually paints the mural. So it's gonna be a blast. You guys, $10, come on, you guys can skip out on a Happy Meal or on Starbucks and help the community out. Thank you, Miss Stephanie.
Thank you.
This is she's a organizer for R.O.O.T, R-O.O.T, which is reviving our old town, which this is where we live. I also live here. I live about 3 blocks away. She said, I'm here, and I said, I'll be here in 3 minutes, and I literally walked out my door and I was here in 3 minutes. So thank you guys. Please, the link will be on there, and you guys, let's do something that's bigger than ourselves, you guys. So please contribute, donate, and if not, just leave some comments and send Miss Stephanie some love. Alright, so we're inviting you guys in the next weekend on the 26th to come and laugh with us and help our community mural comedy night. You can bring your costume and help us beautify our old town neighborhood at the same time. And here's a little brief background of Phil, Ye, and the cartoonists across America. Here he is with James Edward Olmos. So come help support this good cause. Thank you guys for all your support. Appreciate it.